more to do with cosmetics, and it was outdated as well.
Earlier I used to work in the meals, so I didn't have a separate space.
I get more playing space now.
We googled for good builders in the area. The reviews were pretty good.
It was mainly because of Sidhu. He took us in the right direction. Interactive, smooth, and supportive.
I feel more spacious and I feel like a billionaire or millionaire.
Yeah, it's way more spacious, very pleasant on the eye, and a lot of storage.
We have already recommended them to a couple of friends. One of our friends has already gone through the renovation now. I believe they are nearly finished.